Hey everyone! If your Android phone feels slow or apps aren't working properly, clearing the cache can quickly improve performance, free up storage, and resolve common issues without deleting your personal files or important data. Method 1. Clear cache for a specific app. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps to view the list of installed applications. Find and select the app that is taking up extra storage or experiencing performance issues. Next, tap Storage. Here you will see two options, Clear Data and Clear Cache. Select Clear Cache to remove only the temporary files associated with the app. This can help resolve problems such as app crashes, freezing, or slow loading times without affecting your account or saved settings. Method 2. Clear Google Chrome cache. If your web browser is running slowly or displaying outdated web pages, clearing Chrome's cache can help. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device and tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select History, then tap Delete Browsing Data at the bottom of the screen. Choose your preferred time range, such as last 24 hours or all time if you want to remove all cached files. Make sure cached images and files is checked. If you want to keep your browsing history and saved passwords, you can uncheck browsing history and cookies and site data. Finally, tap Delete Data to complete the process. Regularly clearing your Android phone's cache helps improve overall performance, frees up valuable storage, and fixes common app or browser issues. While you don't need to do it every day, clearing cached files every few weeks or whenever your phone feels slow is a good maintenance habit that keeps your device running smoothly and efficiently.